Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to export passwords from Google Password Manager in 2026. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the browser and select Google Password Manager. Once Google Password Manager opens, click on Settings. In the Settings section, find the Export Passwords option and click it. A confirmation message may appear. Click Export Passwords to continue. Next, choose the location where you want to save the password file on your computer. Google Password Manager will export all of your saved passwords as a CSV file. Click Save and the export process will be completed in a few seconds. You can use this CSV file to back up your passwords or import them into another browser or password manager. Keep in mind that the exported CSV file contains your passwords in a readable format, so store it in a secure location and avoid sharing it with others. That's it. You have successfully exported passwords from Google Password Manager. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Google and Chrome tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.